Changing your Socialbank address is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, identify your Socialbank account type. Is it a traditional bank account, prepaid card, or something else? Knowing this will help narrow down the possible channels for updating your address. Many banks now allow address changes directly through their online platforms. So, look for options like Account Settings, Profile, or Manage Account. If you see an Update Address section, follow the on-screen instructions and provide your new address details. Also, you can contact Socialbank customer support. They are your best resource for specific instructions and verification of your account type. You can reach them through their website chat, email, or phone number. Then, consider your account documents. Look for any welcome letters, account opening agreements, or online statements you might have. These documents sometimes contain instructions or contact information for address changes. Lastly, visit a Socialbank branch. If you have a traditional bank account, you might be able to update your address in person at a branch. Bring a valid ID and proof of your new address, such as utility bill.